Are you a victim of your own thoughts? Let's say you get a new outfit, right? And you go in the mirror to check it out, and immediately you start thinking, I wish my stomach was smaller, or my hips were bigger, or my boobs were bigger. We call those intrusive thoughts. Now, what are intrusive thoughts? Intrusive thoughts are unwanted thoughts, images, impulses, or urges that can occur spontaneously or that can be cued by external or internal stimuli. Today, I want to share with you the way that I have combated these intrusive thoughts and trained my mind to think the way I want it to think, which of course, to think the thoughts of success. Are you ready? Affirmations. It's just that simple. Now, before I talk about affirmations, I need to say this. This will not work if you do not take your mind out of cruise control. You are going to have to start thinking about what you think about. You're going to have to monitor your thoughts if you want this to work, all right? For every intrusive thought that I would catch myself thinking, I would counteract that with an affirming thought of myself. For example, I look in the mirror and I say, oh my God, I'm so fat. When I catch myself thinking like that, here's what I respond. I honor the body that I currently have while simultaneously working towards a better version of me. Oh God, that's so warm. I think I'm gonna say it again. I honor the body that I currently have while simultaneously working towards a better version of me. You see the difference? It's embracing and intimate. It's warm towards yourself. I mean, you need these good vibes, no? I do at least. Now, don't get me wrong. This is not easy, especially when you first start combating and counteracting these intrusive thoughts. But the more you do it, the more natural and innate it will become. And before you know it, you're going to start automatically thinking the thoughts of success. And shortly thereafter, you're gonna find success. Run smack dab in the middle of it. I want to challenge you today to focus on saying and thinking the things that will bring you the life you really deserve. You deserve the life you want, okay? You're gonna do this? Are you going to monitor your thoughts and counteract those intrusive thoughts that have been working against you? Good, let me know in the comments. If you have enjoyed today's show, do me a favor, like, share, subscribe, and comment, please. Also, if you want a more intimate connection with me, join my email community by clicking the link in the video description box, all right? Once you do that, put your name and email address in the form, press OK, submit, or whatever. You're going to get 2 emails from me, one welcoming you to the community, and the other a double opt-in, making sure you meant to sign up. So check for 2 messages, even if they're in your spam box, okay? And guess what? If you reply to the email, I reply back. I love talking to you guys within the email community. There's so much more connected to Safe Space with VTerrillHill, but you can't find out any more about it until you join my email community. I appreciate you for watching. See you on the other side.